Mike Savello of LiveU, and I'm here at NAB 2018. LiveU is a leader in mobile video transmission, and we have a number of new announcements that we're making here at the show. One product we're very, very excited about is the LU200 product, which has been in the marketplace for a little while, but this is a new product that allows you to essentially combine up to 4 cellular modems for delivery to any place. You can do live broadcast delivery, but you can also do streaming media delivery. So this is a very reliable HD transmission platform for live video production. The LU200 product can actually talk directly to our LU2000 receiver, which has SDI output. So for those of you that need to take an input in via SDI into your NewTek system or your other switching systems, this is a perfect solution for that. But you can also configure this to go directly to Facebook Live, YouTube, Twitter, any of the social media streaming platforms as well. So that's how this works with the LU2000, or also with a virtual LU2000 that sits in the cloud. So here at NAB, LiveU is also showing off our LiveU Solo. This is the world's first sub $1,000 integrated bonding device for live mobile video transmission. This has been in the market for about a year and a half now. It's a very popular device with streamers. Anybody who wants to go to Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Twitter, Periscope, any of those platforms, but wants to do it reliably, right? When you're using your phone to broadcast to Facebook Live, you only have 1 cellular connection in your phone. When you're using this device, you can have up to 4 simultaneous internet connections that are all being used together to make sure you get a very reliable image to Facebook Live. And again, it starts at under $1,000. One of the new developments here at the show is a new LiveU Solo cloud graphics solution called Solo Studio, which allows you to now add all sorts of graphics capability to your video that you're sending to Facebook Live or to YouTube Live or any place. So using this cloud-based solution, you can send your stream from LiveU Solo to the cloud graphics solution, to LiveU Studio, and add all of the graphics capabilities that you need for your streams. Okay,
so I can go into the control panel, turn on my preview, and there's my stream. So I could, I'm able to build whatever graphics I want. We picked a template already, so I could go in. I could pick, say, a lower third or a bug. Let me pick that. So a lower line topic here. I'll put in a logo. I'm just building my my profile for my graphics here. We can go baseline static, the whole other options. This is all in the cloud. This is all done in real time. So I can click on it. I can edit. You can see a preview of what it looks like here. I have the ability to edit it, put anything I want. Say hello world. So it updates in real time. And then when I'm ready to take it to my stream, I just hit the play button. It comes over here. I'm going to refresh Facebook here. I'll make sure I'm going to the right page. There it is. It's loading. And there it is. So I can take it off. I can put on I put the little logo, little LiveU logo pops up. That's the preview of it. It's there. I mean, it's real easy. And so there's a little delay on the stream, so you'll see this go away, and you'll see the little LiveU logo pop up on the right. Let's make this bigger so you guys can see. Oh, it's not bigger. There it is. So you have the ability to save your show for later. So if you're doing the same show in different times, you can save the graphics for that and do this from any web-enabled laptop.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.